Okay, here we've got question number 1. It should be relatively straightforward. We've got f of x and we've got to find f of minus 1, so just substitute minus 1 in, being careful when you do powers of negative numbers. In the next part we've got to show that 5x minus 2 is a factor of f of x, so you need to establish what the magic x is corresponding to this particular factor. You need to do f of that value. You need to get the value that you're expecting to be able to say, therefore, copy out this bit, therefore 5x minus 2 is a factor of f of x for 2 marks. And then finally we have to simplify this, and they give a hint. They want it fully factorized, and that's a hint that you have to factorize the top. Now the top has got a common factor between these terms, so you can write down that factor times a bracket with 2 terms in it. And then we've got f of x on the bottom. Now f of x, we already know one factor is going to be 5x minus 2. You can use any method you like to find the other factors. Your answer to a.e1 probably helps find another, but you need to, at some stage, to use something like the grid method to find out the third factor. So this f of x is going to form into this bracket, the bracket corresponding to what you found here, and then a third bracket. And so you have these 3 brackets here, and then you're really expecting some kind of cancellation to happen after you factorize them. So you do that simplification and you end up with a fraction and 5 marks.